Sentence Fragment. Don't worry, you two, we'll get you together. Because in this video, we're going to learn how to recognize fragments, 4 types of sentence fragments, and most importantly, you're going to learn how to correct all 4 of those types of sentence fragments. We often use sentence fragments when speaking. Because I said so, and a New York minute. Neither is a complete sentence, yet each communicates clearly. Readers, however, expect sentences that stand alone as complete thoughts set off by periods. That's why sentence fragments should be avoided. Fragments happen for several reasons. One is using a period instead of a comma. The rescuers worked carefully, removing the debris piece by piece. The ing phrase isn't a complete sentence. The period must be replaced with a comma. Here's a fragment caused by an explanation. He finally found his place in life, on top of the music business. An explanation at the end of a sentence should be attached with a comma or colon, not a period. 2 fragments must also be attached. Jennifer submitted an extra credit project to increase her chance of passing. The second part is a phrase that cannot stand alone as a complete sentence and must be attached. Some fragments are introduced by connector phrases. During the debate, candidates avoided several important issues, such as health care, military spending, and education funding. Such as is always preceded by a comma or nothing at all. Phrases beginning with for example, for instance, and then are also set off with commas or nothing at all. To avoid a crisis, safety mandates were proposed. For example, mask wearing in public, vaccines for schools, and limited indoor events. The for example phrase should be preceded by a comma. The female mosquito searches for a blood meal to obtain nutrients, then lays her eggs on standing water. The word then is never preceded by a comma or a period. Long sentences can sometimes result in fragments. Once law-breaking drivers receive strict punishments, such as huge fines, revoked driver licenses, or even jail time, which will be like an alarm to warn them to comply with the law. The which fragment must be changed to form a complete sentence. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the information in this video helpful. If so, feel free to hit the like button. You can also check out this playlist of all of my latest English grammar videos. And please feel free to subscribe if you want to be notified of the videos that I post each week. Thanks again for watching. Talk to you later.